Hey guys, my name is Mitar. My nickname is going to be May. This is my first video that I'm making, so I'm super excited. I will show you how to add hair extensions to wigs, and I'll show it by adding it to my Jabami Yumeko wig from Kakegurui. Let's go! Okay, so what I will be using for this is my wig head. If you don't have wig head, you can use other stuff just to put your wig on it so you can work with it. I will obviously use my wig, cheap hair extensions that I bought at a beauty care. You can find it, I think, in a lot of drugstores, my sewing kit, and the super glue. Okay, so I'm starting by taking the extensions out. I have this little clip thingy that I'm going to take out. If you don't have it, then it's okay, don't worry, you don't need it. I'm going to take it out because I don't really need it. The clips is there for using the extensions on yourself, so you can put it on your hair and then take it out. Since we're adding it to a wig, we can't really use it, so I'm kind of cutting it out. You can glue it to your wig to help it stay better, but you don't really need it. Okay, so now that I took the clip out, I'm going to find a place to put the extensions on. Put it in a place where the wig doesn't have a lot of hair, so it will make the wig fuller and no one will see the net under the hair when you wear the wig. I'm going to take the hairs of the wig, put them to the side so I can sew the extensions on. You need to sew the hard top part of the extensions to the net on the wig. So that's it. You can sew as many extensions as you need, and it will really make the wig look better. It's easier to do this if your wig is in a natural color, like mine is black, so it was super easy to find hair extensions. But if your wig is colored, then you can either buy blonde hair extensions and try to dye the extensions to the color of your wig. Like if your wig is pink, then the hair extensions can turn out to be too bright or too dark shade of pink. But if you bought your wig in a place like Arda Wigs, then you can buy hair extensions in the exact same color as your wig, and then you can do that too. I think there are other companies that do that, I'm just not sure which. So bottom line, if your wig is in a natural color, you can find extensions everywhere. If your wig is in a different color, you can try to buy hair extensions at places like Arda Wig, or buy blonde ones at a local place and dye it to the color of your wig. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and check out our Instagrams.